Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your RedNote account. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, open up the RedNote app. And once done, go to the top left and tap on the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now in here, go to the bottom and tap on settings. Tap. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, tap on account security. Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down and you will find account cancellation. Okay, just tap on it. Now it says here, key reminder, before deleting, read all of these. Okay, now once that's done, tap on this radio button, tap on next. Now go ahead and select a reason why you wanted to delete your RedNote account. Okay, maybe you already have multiple accounts right here. And tap on confirm account deletion. Okay, so it will ask you again, are you sure you want to delete your account? There's no undoing it. Just tap on confirm, and once done, you're good to go. Now, if you have added your phone number onto this specific RedNote account, it will ask you to enter the code that was sent to your mobile device. Okay, just basically open up the messaging app on your phone and then put that code in the section where it needs it. Okay, once done, hit on confirm, and you're good to go. All right, I'm gonna hit on confirm like so, wait for it. And as you can see here, when I go ahead and tap on me, it will ask me to log in. That is it. That's how you delete a RedNote account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.